Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to build a complete blueprint for Facebook advertising, one that actually gets you real, measurable results.
You know that feeling? Like you're just chucking money at Facebook, boosting a post here and there, and kind of just hoping for the best? Well, if that sounds familiar, you're in exactly the right place.
We've taken all the best expert advice and boiled it down into a step-by-step journey, from planning to profit. So let's get started.
Okay, let's get real. The biggest mistakes, the ones that cost you serious money, they happen before you even run an ad. So we're going to fix that right now by laying a really solid foundation.
All right, this right here, this is the core difference between wasting money and investing it. Amateurs hit that boost button and just hope. But the pros, they make one critical decision first. They tell Facebook exactly what success looks like by picking a specific campaign objective from the get-go.
And look, this single choice, it's not just some box you check. It literally dictates everything that happens next. It tells Facebook's algorithm who to show your ad to, how to optimize it, and even how you get charged. You want sales? Pick conversions. You want leads? Pick lead generation. Get this right and you're already miles ahead of the competition.
Okay, so we've got our why, our objective. Now let's nail down our who. Because honestly, targeting the wrong people is the absolute fastest way to burn through your budget with nothing to show for it.
Ever wonder how Facebook knows you so well? Well, it's all about the data. Your likes, your shares, that's all part of it. But the real game changer is the Facebook pixel. That little piece of code on, like, 1 million websites. It's tracking activity off of Facebook, which is why the targeting can get so incredibly precise.
Think of it like this. You've got 3 layers. You start broad with core audiences. You know, location, interests, that kind of thing. Then you warm things up with custom audiences, people who already know you. And then you go big by creating lookalike audiences to find brand new people who are just like your best customers.
And this is such a pro tip. Instead of just targeting something broad like fitness, you target that one author or that specific tool that only your true fans would even know about. It's like a secret handshake with your audience, and your competitors are probably missing it completely.
This is so simple that so many people forget to do it. If someone just bought from you, the last thing they want to see is an ad for the thing they just bought. It's annoying for them and a total waste of money for you. Use the exclude function, please.
Our strategy's set, our audience is locked in. Now for the fun part, building the actual ad. This is your chance to stop the scroll in a super crowded, noisy feed.
I mean, think about it. When you're scrolling on your phone, what catches your eye? It's motion, right? Our eyes are just drawn to it. That's why even a simple little GIF can totally blow a static image out of the water. It just breaks that scroll pattern and grabs attention.
So we're looking at 8 expert tips here, but they all circle back to one thing: making lead ads work for you. And these ads are so powerful. Why? Because people can give you their info without ever leaving the app. It's frictionless. Let's see how to do it right. These little tweaks are a total game changer. The intro screen, that gets them ready. That one simple qualifying question, it weeds out the people who aren't serious, so your leads are way, way better quality. And that custom thank you screen, that builds trust right away and tells them what's coming next.
So, you're ad creative. It's like a recipe. You need that emotional copy that speaks to a real problem. A killer headline, a great picture or video, and of course, some social proof like a testimonial. They all have to work together to convince someone to stop, read, and most importantly, to click that button. Okay, your campaign is live. But wait, the work is not done. Not even close. Now we put on our lab coats, listen to the data, and start making smart adjustments to tune this engine.
You have to be scientific about this. If you test everything at once, the headline, the image, the button, and something works, well, you have no idea what it was that worked. Test one thing at a time. That's the only way you'll know for sure what's actually moving the needle. Okay, let's talk about a metric you have got to keep your eye on. It's called frequency. It's a super simple number, but man, it tells you so much about the health of your campaign. So is that frequency score creeping up past 3? If it is, warning bells should be going off. You're hitting what's called ad fatigue. People are getting sick of seeing your ad, your results are going to tank, and your costs are going to go up. It's a huge red flag that it's time to switch up your creative.
All right, here's a pretty cool advanced trick, especially if you have a smaller budget. It's called the takeoff method. Instead of just trickling your money out, you double down for the first couple of days. Why? To get a ton of data fast. Then you can see what's working, kill the losers, and go back to your normal budget, knowing you're not wasting a single penny.
All right, last section. Let's look ahead and see where this whole thing is going. Because staying ahead of the curve is what really separates the good marketers from the great ones.
So what's coming next? Think generative AI just creating ad variations for you. Or augmented reality ads that let you virtually try on a pair of sunglasses from your couch. And it's all moving towards rewarding genuine, quality engagement, not just mindless, cheap clicks.
But you know what? No matter how wild the tech gets, the things we've talked about today, having a strong strategy, making amazing creative, and being smart with your data, those fundamentals, they're always going to be what wins.
So, what's the one thing you're going to test in your next campaign? Hopefully this explainer gave you some real ideas to work with. The key now isn't just knowing this stuff. It's about going out and putting it into action.